Welcome back to the channel. It's the first morning at the unit. Come round and I've swept the floor, moved that big table, started taking it to bits. Can actually see the floor. That's one pile. That's another pile. And we've swept it from about this door opening. There's lots more behind that. Some useful timber on this table, so we're going to take that to bits. That'll go towards the doors, I suppose. But the floor looks better for a sweep. I'll give the walls a bit of a brush. Got some of the loose off. I've cleaned some drains out outside. Get rid of some water. And this afternoon, I think I'm going to get the 4-door. Let's see if we can get it in here. That'll be nice. If we drive through the gates, down that way, we should be able to reverse in. We'll see. Stop with us, see what happens in a bit. That's one pile what we swept up. That's come out of the main workshop part of it. Then across here, the floor's had a sweep in here. The wee room has had a sweep. You don't want to be looking in that. That wants a lot of bleach in it. So does that sink. That's next week's job. Bucket full of bleach. And clean out. That pile has come from in here. And this looks 100 times better. We can actually walk on the floor and nothing's crunching. I've been on the roof and I've blocked one hole up, so that was up there. Hopefully we can stop that one making a mess. We'll get it dried out and we might be alright to use it for some stuff. What's this room? I need a fire grate for in there. Need to get a fire grate, need to measure that actually. But that's all been swept up. I've swept this bit. And I think that black stain there, I've swept some coal dust off that. That must have been on that fire, you can't see in here, and there's no lights. I've swept this bit out as well, and all that pile is there with the sweeping brush. So next time I come round, I'll bring a shovel and I'll bring a builder's sack and we'll get rid of that. That's that bit. We're going to go and get the 4-door and see if we can get it in the main building. That's the next bit. But it'd be nice to get a fire in there this week, see if it works. I'll best get some rods. Make sure the chimney's not blocked. And that's that bit. We've had a good sweep up. We'll see what we can make of the place. If the carpet's in alright, and we can get 2 or maybe 3 in the main building, I think we're on to a winner. See you in a bit. Well folks, I've been and got the 4-door. Obviously, van's gone. 4-door. She fits. She certainly fits. Room at the front. A little bit of room at the back. Plenty of room that side. I think we'll have a workbench this side. Down there. Plenty of room here. Plenty of room to get it up on a set of axle stands, and then we've got room for 2 more in there. Yeah, I think this is going to work out just fine. let's get around to making some doors. That's the next thing. Some doors that actually work. And a new beam up there. But 4 doors in. Thanks for watching this bit. When we get something else in, we'll get back to you. But for today, this is going back home. That's good polish, which I could do in here. That's great. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you again. Well, we've had it in reverse that way. I just turned it round and it's in that way. I do believe with that table gone, the traveller can sit in that corner up there. And we can have another one here. And then we can have another one that we're working on there. So, I can get my traveller in there, it's in bits. My van there. My 4 door there. Things are looking up.